ain't fresh.
We the whole family.
I ain't fresh.
Right there's my old Kelso right there.
Bitch, you is ugly.
I don't know how to work this. I don't know how to zoom it out or nothing. Old Kelso I had a long time ago right there. Missed that guy right there. Damn good bird right there. Better than your Kelso right there.
Bitch, you is ugly.
That's me when I got locked up. I had to do 10 years. Good old warhorse right there. Very trash bird. But anyways, if you know how to work this right here, let me know. Damn good bird right there. Good old leaper right there now. If you got grays or a warhorse on your yard, son, you ain't doing the right thing now. Go do something else. Go fishing or something like that right there. Or horseback riding right there.